Hi guys, if you own a Sprinter van and you do not have an electric door opener, you guys are missing out. I did my research, I went online, I found the #1 company, Ador, an aftermarket product to make these doors automatic. So I found this gentleman by the name of Vitaly and his colleague Boris. They came out all the way from North Carolina to Miami, serviced my Sprinter van, and have made it more comfortable for my family to enjoy this van even more. I want to show you guys what this is all about. Please welcome this. Hey, say hi, Boris. We went from pulling on this heavy door, you guys know what I'm talking about, where it was like effort after effort, and to close it from inside even worse, to just the click of a button, having full access to our cabin, full entertainment for enjoyment. Thank you, Ador. This company's 20 years old, and you have another satisfied customer here in Miami, Florida. If you guys are looking for an electric door, please look up my friend Vitaly and Boris. They're on YouTube. Ador. This is the TROC system, TROC, available for all Sprinter vans. Thanks, guys.
Снимаем здесь, вытаскиваем пружины, один оборот и четверть. А это тебе надо будет? Жахаешь, еще заходит. Все. В длину не хочешь?
Hey Ador, this is William Galvis from Miami, Florida. Another satisfied customer. You guys are amazing. 20 years in production, making amazing products. My Sprinter van is better because of you guys. Thank you.